Hi, I'm Mason Manley, and I'm 5'11". I'm the resin dude. Spots on your glasses, streaks on your pants. Ooh, whenever you take all your plastic out and it's all dripping, yeah, all me. Let's see what we got today. Oh, that's a nice piece. Chicken parm. Hey, come on, don't put that in. Let's just all talk. Let's talk it all. I am the residue. Spots on your glasses, streaks on your pants, all that plastic that comes out dripping. Who's got two thumbs and likes to leave prints on all over your stuff? This guy. Ooh, spotless. Uh-oh. Hey, what is she doing with that? Oh, come on, just having fun. Hey, guys. I'm the residue. Spots on your glasses, streaks on your pants. When you take all that plastic out and it's dripping, yeah, that's all me. Hmm. Huh. Vintage? Oh, come on. You don't gotta do that. We're just playing.